everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing you guys the coupon preview that we are getting this Sunday. The website is sundaycouponinserts.com. I like this website. But I'm going to share with you guys the coupons that we are getting this Sunday. Now, if you guys are new, I always say pay attention to what coupons you get in your inserts, because then you kind of know as you coupon more and more that you'll know what you will get and what you don't get. For me, couponing the last several years, I know what I'm not going to get in my inserts, and I know what I'm going to get. So that's how you guys can kind of, you know, figure out your hauls on what you want to do in the future. There are websites where you can get individual coupons if you guys want to do that. But I just wanted to share with you guys with that. So we are getting 2 inserts, one Retail Me Not and one Smart Source. Looks like we got Caress Body Wash for $1, CeraVe Sun Product $5 off. Degree Men $1.25, another Degree $1, Degree Women $1.50, another $1, and then Garnier Fructis we're getting $4 off of 2, Garnier Nutris $4 off of 2, Garnier Whole Blends just $2, Hellman's products $1, Iam's cat food is $3. We got L'Oreal Elvive Hair Care $3 off any 2, L'Oreal Paris Root Precision Cover Up $2, L'Oreal Skincare $2, L'Oreal. Now we have a Lindt Classic Recipe Bar. I've never heard of a recipe bar, but that is a 50-cent off coupon. Not sure what the heck this is. No idea. Nexium $2, $5, and then Preparation H $1, $4. Some laxatives if you guys need that, $2. Signature Cafe, I don't have that in my area. Nope, not sure what that is. Suave Body Wash, we got 75 cents. Deodorant, $1 off any 2. The lotion, $1 off, and then Tenna, we have $5 off of 2. So there is that for the Retail Me Not. Now here is for the Smart Source. We got $1 off the refill and $3 off any kind of kit. Ajax, we have $1 off of 2. Alka-Seltzer, $1. $2, and then Blue Diamond Almonds, $1.50. Clairol Age hair dye, I guess, $5 off 2. Another $2 off hair dye, $5 off any 2, and then $2 off any. 50-cent Clear Eyes, $1 off Clorox mopping wipes, Clorox. Now here we're getting Colgate coupons, but it looks like for the toothbrush it's $1 off any 2. And then for the mouthwash, it's $1, and then the toothpaste, it's $1 off any 2. I have a feeling this month, or for the month of July, we might be holding off on buying a lot of toothpaste. According to Walgreens, I know for sure. CVS, I'm not 100% sure, but I know Walgreens, we will get very little deals on toothpaste, which is fine because June we got wasted. So yeah, Coppertone, $2 off, $5 off any 2. Depends. We're getting a 5 off of 2, and then a 3 off of. $1 for Dove Amplified. Dove Hair Care, $2 off of 2. Duracell. Ensure, 5 off of 2. And then 16 packs, 10 off of 2. Jet Dry. Some pasta, Hormel, Land O'Lakes, Mini Baby Bell Nets. And then Hormel cookies, we got $1 off of 3. And then we have 75 cents off of 2. Ocean Spray, $1 off of 2. Poise, 3. Poise, 5 off of 2. Red Gold, 50 cents, Sargento, and then Suave, we get $2 off 2 for kids, $1.50 off of 2 for men's, $1 off for regular, and then $2 off for 2. Trust me, we got $2 off of 2, not a good coupon. Tropicana, and then we have, this is a good coupon, I like it, Kotex 3 off of 2, so that is awesome. So that is what we are getting in the inserts this Sunday, so just want to give you guys a heads up. I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.